Next, let's go to the next question. Was one lesson from from my military career that everyone should learn? I would say do not give up is what I've learned from my entire service. 3 years in India, 1 year in IMA, and then 8 years of service. 12 years I've given in this organization, in this field. And the best thing that I've realized is do not give up. When things go hard, चीज़ें मुश्किल हो जाती हैं, you feel like giving up, that अब नहीं और नहीं. उस वक्त बस एक ही चीज़ सोचना है कि आज नहीं, कल करेंगे give up. We will give up tomorrow, and that is how I've survived through all the ups and downs, the lows of my life, everything. So my advice personally for everyone, do not give up in your life. That is the best lesson the organization have taught me. Second is the stress and motivation in the army. How did I handle it? I would say not only in the army, but in all spheres of the life. We all undergo different types of stress. We all need that motivation to sail through that stress. So, is sub mein I always thought of my parents and my dreams. My dreams have never let me go down, or they have not let me accept to give up. And that is how I've kept myself motivated in all my stresses. Personal example, I would say during my NDA days, a non-Fauji kid I was when I joined the NDA, and it was all new. Life was difficult now, and इतना सब होने के बाद बहुत बार दिल में आता था कि गलत तो नहीं आ गया, गलत डिसीजन तो नहीं ले लिया. बट देन एक बच्चे ने ड्रीम लिया था कभी, when I was a young child, I dreamt of wearing that uniform, and बस वही ड्रीम के पीछे लड़ते लड़ते where I am. I've always dreamt of wearing this uniform. I wore this uniform, and I'm very proud of myself. Thanks to my parents, जिन्होंने मुझे सिखाया, my instructors, my teachers, and everyone who have helped me throughout my career. Thank you so much. One question which was very, very common was how to increase stamina and strength. Well, it's a continuous thing. If you think that aaj karenge and then tomorrow we will be able to achieve it, you won't be, guys. So it's all prepare, train and practice. Continuous practice, training, preparation will help you build your stamina, will help you build your strength, which will be used